This is Fikadi Tech channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download any country shape file. So first off, we go to Firefox or Google Chrome or whatever you have. So type here like diva GIS, then enter, then click here for the first menu. Then here select a country that you want to analysis, or that you want to select a country from the list. Here I'm going to show you the country of Ethiopia and select here a lot of resources, available data like administrative areas, land, water, elevation, land cover, population, and you can select whatever you want. So in this tutorial I will select administrative areas and then OK. Then which is administrative areas Ethiopia, and then click download, and the download is here. Is the download. So after downloading it, go to download option. This one is the downloaded file, then paste here tutorial and paste here, then right click and extract here. Okay, then here is the data, and go to ArcGIS software and click here ArcMap 10.7. It is the opened interface. So go to Add Data button and select here and select the data that you want to add into the software. So my data is under the desktop. So click here, click then tutorial. Okay, then OK. Here is the data available here. It admin 0 add here. There is at a country level. Okay, as you show, is a country level, country Ethiopia, and there are others. Country 1 is regional level, and country 2, admin 2 at zonal level. Okay, and here at admin 3 at Warada level. Okay, so we can analyze each and every data that you want to analyze on this software. So first off, these are the data. We can change here the color. Okay, we can change the color here. We can change the color here, or we can change here. We can change here the data. Here is, go to here and you can show here is 11 regional states of Ethiopia. You can select here. Okay, Addis Ababa, Afar, Amara, this kind of 11 nations are selected here. Then select here like this Afar region and go to click here, and by 2 means. Okay, the one is by go to click to select selection and create layer from select feature, and the other one is by export the data, or the other method is by clicking geoprocessing tool and you can clip here. So the most simple one is by click here and select from layer or export the data. Okay, export the data, then we can adjust the output and the output variables. So you can just, this is the Afar region. Okay, the Afar region, Afar regional state. We can add the name of the state, the region by right clicking here and go to label, and by clicking here name by name 1, okay, and label feature, okay, sorry, so here is the region name, original name. So we can or the other method by clicking here, by select feature here, okay, select feature and click here, and we can export it. Salam. And also we can select whatever we want, whatever the study we need to analysis, and this one Tigray region, and we can select here, okay. We can analyze in this way, okay, and we can select also the other like Oromia National Regional State, and click here and export. Okay, we can adjust this the location file, okay, by clicking here, and you can adjust the output and location files. And the other one, you can select Somali regional state and export here, and you can select OK. And the other one, Gambela National Regional State, and click here and yes, and this one, and last this one, 11 regional state. We can calculate in this way for this one. Okay, there is some, so we can give different colors. By giving different colors, we can analyze here and here. Here we can get different colors, okay. So by this method we can classify our 11 regions of Ethiopia. So this is the base, the first opening software for ArcGIS beginners. Thank you very much for watching.